to Japanese cooking channel in Bay Area. Today I'm gonna make rice curry, kareーライス. Some people may think, wait, Naomi, it doesn't need any technique. Just put curry powder. Yes, it's very simple, but I'm gonna add extra portion of sake for simmering. It tastes much more delicious. So let's get started.
At first, I'm gonna introduce curry mix. Today, I've prepared two kinds of them. One is powder one, another is cube one. I'll show you. You can buy any kinds of them, but be careful there are differences of how spicy, mild, medium, and hot. In Japan, it's not uncommon at all to blend two or more brands to give the distinct personalities of this curry mix. Cut vegetable and meat. Wash very clean and cut into bite-sized pieces. Potato, be careful not to cut too small. I recommend it bigger than bite-sized. Otherwise, it's gonna break into small pieces and melt down while boiling. Chop ginger and garlic finely. Pour butter into a deep fried pan and stir ginger and garlic. Put veggies into a pan and stir for a while, and then put meat in and brown its surface. Pour sake or white wine and cover with the lid. For kids' meal, heat well to allow the alcohol to evaporate before covering a lid. Add water and simmer for a while. Add roux and tonkatsu sauce if you have. Tonkatsu sauce is made from vegetable and fruit. It makes curry richer. Every person has different secret ingredients, such as sauce, coffee, and even chocolate. You can try one of those ingredients if you're interested.
How's today's recipe? Curry tastes even better on the second day, so please make with a big pot and then let it sleep overnight. Enjoy for a few days. Curry roux lasts long, so it's a good option as a preserved food. So as you know, we are now in a difficult situation all over the world. But please go to the Japanese or Asian supermarket and grab some. And I wish you enjoy this popular Japanese dish with your family member. So thank you very much for watching today, and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye!